Hello, Tran Fam. It's me, Jessica. Welcome back to my corner of the world. Super excited to be here today because I have a couple of things to show you. We've got a Scribble prints order, a Sadies sticker order, and then a Busy Bee mystery box. If you follow me on my Instagram page, you will have seen a sneak peek of what's inside of this box. So I have opened it, but you don't know what it is. So it's a surprise for you. But let's start with this since it's the largest, so we can kind of go through it real quick. So this is a mystery box, and I have never tried Busy Bee Stationery. And I was really interested because they have a subscription box, and I was interested in getting the subscription box. When I went onto their page, I noticed that they had a mystery box and it included some of the top items from their subscription boxes. So I figured this is a great way to decide whether or not I want to go ahead and do the subscription box. So I went ahead. This was over $150 worth of product. I think I paid just under $40. I had a coupon code. Check out their Instagram for the coupon code. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Boom! Doesn't it look like all sorts of goodness? Because it is. So let's start with the first thing on top. And it's just this really cute bag. I love the little lashes here. It has a little pom-pom at the end. It's so cute. The pom-pom is where the zipper is. And in here, you can fit quite a bit, and you've got a pocket on this side. So it's really nice, really cute bag. I love this, but I've got a little 9-year-old goddaughter who is going to freak out when she sees this. I know she is, so this may not stay in my crafting corner for too long. Then we got these really pretty Studio 112 paper clips, and they're really cute. They look like starbursts. And what I love about them is that they're bright and sunshiny, and I'm definitely going to use them in a summer spread for sure. Next, we got some American Craft ribbon. And I love using ribbon in my planner setups, in my journal, to use them as bookmarks. You could do quite a lot with ribbon in crafting, so I appreciate this, especially in pink, because pink is kind of my thing. Then we have this little set here, and I call it a set because what we have here is 1 Canute 2, and they're wood stamps. You get alphabet stamps, all in capital, uppercase, and then you get some little extras here like the and sign, exclamation mark. They're just really, really cute. I took one out so I could show you guys. This is what it looks like when it comes out, and if it's facing you, you're stamping it the right way. I love it because it's so easy to hold the little dowel here, making it super ergonomic. What I also love is they didn't just give you this, but they gave you a Letterpress Ink Pad also, which honestly is huge because if you're just starting out and you may not have ink pads, and this is quite a large one, so the fact that they gave it together kind of sets you up in a right way to kind of really use these items. So I really appreciate that. And just so you can see here, we just have a couple of the different ways that you could do the V. Like I'd use this, and this more for putting my like initials on something, and then this for writing something out. Let's keep going because then we have this awesome book. This is the Emoji sticker store book. There's a whole bunch of different emojis on here. Great for planning, I'll be honest, because you'll see. And you'll see, I'll explain to you what I think I'm going to work with, how I think I'm going to use these. I can't talk today. So there's over 1,000 stickers. There are 24 cute little cards in here. So it's just a really great setup. So I'm thinking, I do a lot of snail mail, so I'll definitely use the cards for snail mail. But for these little unicorns right here, my goddaughter, Vera, she is obsessed with the unicorns. So I think I'm going to use this whole page for our little godmother, goddaughter dates. So we have like these fun little days together. And I think I might send this in the mail to her because I think she would enjoy that. And then you can never have enough fun little stickers to put into your planner and just kind of make your planner fun. And I'm not going to go through everything. I was thinking about these, especially these right here, these hearts for date nights with my husband. So yeah, they're really cute. You get so much in here. More date night stickers for my husband. Just so adorable. I'm definitely going to use these. And I love that you can just kind of keep it closed. I love this. Then we have the Heidi Swapp set of washi tapes. We have 8 washi tapes. They range in size from 5mm to the larger kind of 20mm. So this is such a wonderful set. These glitters look beautiful. I'm going to show you a little sample real quick. And I'm definitely going to use these stars for 4th of July for my planner setup. I don't have a lot of blue washi tape, and I think that's something that I'm really happy about getting this, because I needed more blue washi tape and glitter washi tape. You can never have too much glitter washi tape. So just to show you here, I just kind of went ahead and put the sampled a couple of the washies here. I love this. Probably these were probably my favorite in the set, but they're all beautiful. These glitters feel great. They stick really nice. They're high quality, which I can appreciate. So that was really nice. Now that I showed you that book, let me show you a couple of items we have here. So first and foremost, we have this pencil, and it's a mechanical pencil. And inside, if you can see that in there, let me see if I can bring it up a little bit closer. Inside, you'll be able to see that there are multiple colors in here. And what you do is you just move the dial and pull it down, and then you could pop out, whoop, your pencil. Take a look at there. And then you have a really great pencil. So what I did over here is I just kind of wrote pencil, so you could actually see what it looks like, how easy it is to use. This is a really great, I'm definitely going to keep this in my little jar here. Then I got 2 pens. We got 2 gel glitter pens. We got the pink glitter and then the blue glitter. These are by American Crafts, just so you guys know. The tips are not fine tip. They're pretty much a normal tip, 0.6, 0.7 maybe, maybe a little bit smaller than that. But I did go ahead and swatch these down here. Hello, loves. And I don't know if you can see the glitter, but they're beautiful. They dry really quickly, which makes it really easy to use in your planner. Then we got, this is probably one of my favorite items. They're all my favorite. Who am I kidding? And these are just Project Life cards. They're journaling cards. You can use them for so much. You can use them in photo albums, I couldn't think, in bullet journals, in planners. You can send them as happy mail. There's just quite a bit you can do with these. And I just want to show you some of my favorites. I love all things floral, and these are just absolutely gorgeous. Like, oh, they're beautiful. So I just wanted to kind of give you a quick overview of what they look like and how gorgeous they are. And you do get multiples, so I can appreciate that multiple of the same. I don't know if I said this already, but it is a 180 pack kit, so you get a lot. And then last but not least, because we do have more things to open up, we have a beautiful drawings of women. And don't mind me, I've already kind of played with this book and looked into it. So we've got a lot of gorgeous drawings. I'm just going to show you a few. Really pretty. I can always appreciate an adult coloring book, so I'm really happy about that. Sorry, I threw that. Let's clean this up a little bit. Now let's move over into my Scribble Print Co. order. This is my first order ever with Scribble Print Co., so I'm very excited. So what I ended up getting were three mystery kits. There's no order in here. Is there an order here? Let's see. I ended up getting 3 mystery kits, 2 larger mystery kits and a smaller mystery kit. So this is the smaller mystery kit. And let's open this. So this is like a Star Wars kind of theme. Every one you get one of these like holographic. It's her name. It says Scribble Prints, but it's really cute. It's holographic. I like that. And then you get this. This paper feels amazing. This is the glossy, not the matte version, so you can kind of see it. Actually, yeah, it's a little bit glossy. So this is Star Wars. This is their Oops, so they're Misfits. but you really can't tell where the misfits are. There's a misfit here, a misfit here, but other than that, they look really nice. They look like, this looks like it's supposed to be like that. I love the marbling. I may give this and this half to my nephew. He loves Star Wars because I'm not a Star Wars fanatic, but I will use the black and white and gray and definitely do a theme with that, with marbling in my planner one day. But these are gorgeous and such high quality. This is amazing, especially for an oops. Totally great quality. Then we got this one here. It's a Cruella de Vil-ish theme. And let's open it up. Get out the packaging. All right, so again, it's that really beautiful paper. It feels so thick and luxurious. I love it. Let's kind of zoom in there. I love the colorscape here. Again, it's that black and white and gray with a pop of red. So I think if I use these in here as well and just kind of extend the use of this one into 2 or 3 weeks, I think it'll work really well. So we've got that, and I've got the polka dots here. Really cute. Like, you can barely tell what the issues are here. I can see a few, I'm not gonna lie, of course, but whew, the quality is so there. These feel awesome, and you get quite a bit. I mean, this was not an expensive kit. I'm not gonna, you know, look at that. So the quality is totally there. I love that we've got the little weekend there. So cute. And then I love that, the little Dalmatian dots. So that's the second mega kit, and this is the final mega kit, and probably my most favorite, which is why I saved it for last. I love blush tones and neutral tones, so this is right up my alley. Let's take a look here. Let's kind of zoom it in. Oh, yes, please and thank you. Feels amazing. You've got the little Chanel bag. It just, in the perfume, it just feels so luxe. I love the green, the pink. This could probably be a little bit darker, but oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Okay. Again, this is so pretty. And this may be printing errors here, but I don't even care. I just like the look of it. It's very pretty. So cute. Ooh, I like that. Like that out of focus kind of, and then these are in focus. I'm about it. This is so cute. Okay, and love the weekend, love the little deco here. It's so adorable. So definitely a great little haul here. 3 misfit kits, 2 ultimate or mega ones, I forgot the name of it, and 1 regular one, just because I wanted to compare. You just get more sheets with the larger ones. What I do love is that she gives a full set. You're not just getting thrown randoms all together. So she gives you a full completed set. So I can totally appreciate that. This guy is from Sadies Stickers. And I think they ordered, I can't remember what order this is because I did order a few things from them. As well as Scribble Prints Co. So let's go ahead and pull this out. I love the way she packages it. Or they package it because they put it in between 2 cardboards, and I just think that really keeps it looking great. So I needed another sticker book because the sticker book I have is just popping out. So I definitely needed another sticker book, and the more I buy, the more I need sticker books to keep it on. So this is the sticker book. I love the bows and the tones of this. So cute. And this, I believe, is a freebie because I did not buy this. Ooh, it is a freebie. It's the bows. I don't think this comes with it. I think she just threw this in as a freebie. I love the marbling here. It's just gorgeous. And I love the tones here. And then I don't think this comes with it, but she threw it in and it's the same thing as this. And that is just beautiful. Oh my god. And the sticker book feels really nice. Like the pages feel really great and thick, so I can totally appreciate that. And you get quite a bit of pages in here. It's a little, I'm just gonna kind of fix it a little bit because of course it's been traveling. But yeah, this is beautiful, and I love that freebie. I can totally appreciate this because I'm going to use it and love it, trust me. Then I got a miniature version of this because I kind of like the aesthetic of them matching. This larger bow doesn't like match, but it still kind of goes with because it's a bow theme. And I kind of want to stay with that kind of bow theme when it comes to my sticker albums. I just think the aesthetic is really pretty. So this is just a miniature version of that. This is so cute. It's so tiny. Oh my God, it's so tiny. How adorable is that? And she threw in another freebie in here because I did not buy this. So I have to say, she is very generous with her freebies. And they're beautiful. This is gold foiling. You can't ask for a better freebie. Look at that. Got some half boxes here, a small box there, and then these little headers here. I think they might be habit trackers. Really cute. Love that. And then this book, again, really nice quality. Great for these smaller stickers. So I figured these small stickers or the freebies can go in here because they tend to be a little bit smaller. And that way I just have some nice matching sticker albums. I may pick up another one of these and maybe 2 more of these for me, and then maybe another one for my goddaughter. So this is my little invoice here. The mini sticker album was $10. The larger sticker album was $15, so totally worth it. The freebies are just freebies, so that's not bad at all. We do have some more items here, so we'll just kind of keep going. I have a couple of things in here, so let's open it up. I'm so excited. Okay, is there anything else in here? Yeah, there is. All right, so she had a $2 Tuesday. So I picked up a couple of things from her $2 Tuesday. So let's go ahead and open this little guy up. Okay, so let's start with the freebie first. I used the coupon code Taylor20. So this is the Taylor 20 Phoebe, guys, I'm so sorry, for freebie. And it's so cute. I love the little minis. Oh, it's adorable. I love it. So cute. And then I ended up picking up the foiled Kaleidoscope variation. So this is the foiled Kaleidoscope ones. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at this. These are the bows. So cute. These are the tie-dye. Sorry, these are the tie-dye bow sampler in gold. And this is another tie-dye bow sampler. I think these are just the bows, and this is just a sampler. But aren't they? Isn't that so pretty? Like, I had to get it. I had to. I think I have to get more. And then this is the Kaleidoscope one. How cute. I love the dates in here. So I think I'm definitely going to use these and love them. I may pick up more of these because I like these dates in the Kaleidoscope. I might get them in gold and then silver and rose gold. And I might get these in gold, silver, and rose gold and get a few more of these. So all these are perfect for the mini book. Even though these are not samplers, they're perfect. Then I picked up one last thing. And just so you guys know, these were all $2 except for this one. This one was $2.50. And then this guy is the Planner Girl candle label dashboard for my A5 planner. And it is the Diptyque candle. I love Diptyque, one of my favorites. So I wanted to get that with a really pretty, I have a beautiful vellum that is going to go on top. It's just a little dashboard. It's so pretty. All right, guys, that is everything that I've ordered so far. I do have some more hauls coming your way very soon. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button down below. Check me out on Instagram at JTranPlans, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.